Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Software issues are probably the most common reason for your iPhone being stuck on the Apple logo. 9 times out of 10, software issues are caused by either a failed software update, using an older version of the Apple iOS, or having a jailbroken iPhone. 13 December 2018.
Take our lead.
Solution: when a phone gets stuck in the Apple logo, this could mean that there is a software glitch that is causing this problem. When the phone is connected, force it to restart by pressing and holding the sleep, wake and volume down buttons at the same time. 27 January 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
Sometimes, an Android phone stuck on the boot screen might just have a low battery. If the battery of a phone is low enough, the phone won't boot and will be stuck in the boot screen. Plug the phone in and let it get some power before you start the phone. 16 September 2020.
Take our lead.
Connect your iPhone USB cable to a dock connector. Do not connect to your computer now. Press the home button and connect the other end of the USB cable to your PC. Then, iTunes will automatically start and iPhone can be kept in recovery mode. 23 December 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.